You've probably heard this one before. Don't spread your money thin. Put it all into the one thing you truly understand. Every legendary investor says some version of this, and for them, it actually worked. But here's what nobody tells you. You only ever see the guy who went all in and won. Nobody's making a video about the thousands who did the exact same thing and lost everything. Those people just disappear. So let's look at the actual numbers. Since 1926, almost 26,000 stocks have existed in the US. More than half of them did worse than just leaving your money in a basic savings account. And get this, out of all 26,000, just 86 companies created half of all the wealth the stock market has ever made. That's 0.3%. So here's the question. When someone tells you to go all in on what you know, what are the actual odds you're picking one of those 86? And here's the part that should end the debate. The most famous bet-it-all investor in history, the guy everyone quotes to justify concentration, left instructions in his own will, not for himself, for his family. He said put 90% of it in a plain index fund. He built his fortune going all in. But when it came to protecting the people he loved, he told them to spread it out.